Introducing Blundstone's Classics Retread, featuring a replaceable tread to help extend the life of your boots. Let's find out how this works. We designed the retread sole so only the tread needs to be replaced, allowing the midsole and Blundstone's comfort system to remain intact. Wear indicators are located inside the tread of your boots. As soon as these indicators begin to show, it's time to replace the tread. A professional cobbler can grind off the old tread, leaving the arch area between the heel and forepart untouched. They can also provide a number of universal tread options to best suit your boots. Only the tread parts that touch the ground are replaced, not the entire sole. This helps simplify the process and reduce waste. And with the new tread applied, the Classics Retread boots are ready for their next adventure.